How to delete a member from Life360 application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to delete a member from Life360 application, you'll have to delete the member from a certain circle. So first of all, tap open and launch the application. Next up, you have to select the circle from where you want to delete the member from. In order to do so, tap on the icon or the search bar which gives you the list of all the circles that you have currently in the application. Once you tap on the circle that you want to delete the member from, tap on the gear icon from the top right corner. Here under Files Family Settings, you have Circle Management. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, under Circle Management, you should see an option called as Delete Members. Currently, I do not have any member on this, so it is not shown. But if you have, it will be shown the delete option. Now from there, you can select all the members that you want to delete from the circle, and on the top right corner you will have the option to delete. After that, you have to click on yes in the confirmation box and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.